Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to send gifts in Evony game. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the three horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Then tap on Friends option. Here in the search bar, you can type in the name or ID of the person to whom you want to send gifts. Tap on this person's profile. Click on the detail option in the bottom right corner. Click on the send gift option in the bottom section of your screen. You'll have to keep in mind that if you want to send gift to someone on the same server, then you must have Royal Waybill. You can find them in item section under special tabs. If you do not have Royal Waybill, then you will not be able to send gifts to anyone. So that is how you can send gifts in Evony game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.